of this video is to get to my mini fridge. I don't even know what this all is, if I'm being honest. But I think that's doable. I mean, I honestly think a lot of it is just a big item, so it shouldn't be too difficult. So I'm just gonna get started. So that looks a lot better. I'm really happy with that. This area has been stressing me out. I literally haven't been able to get to the other side of my room. I need to start sorting. This is like boxes of stuff. Hi, Phantom. Look at them, they're so cute. Anyway, this is the boxes of stuff that need to be gone through. That's a tote of stuffed animals from when I was a kid and an adult. Those two boxes are stuff that I've sorted through and decided I'm keeping. That's just clothes I need to fold. That's all yarn. And then I have some trash I need to take out. So, I'm gonna get some food, and then I'm gonna start going through this stuff, and I'm gonna move that stuff into there, so then I can use the boxes to take to donate. And then I need to vacuum, and there's a weird sticky spot. I don't like sticky.
Why are they there then?
I don't know what that's from. Honestly, I hate it. So I'm gonna clean that, but yeah, we'll be right back with that stuff. It is like 4 hours later now. I fell asleep after eating. Bad habit of mine. Anyway. Okay, so I feel so much better. I was getting so overwhelmed by the top of my fridge being so cluttered. And then the inside of my fridge is completely empty and clean. So what happened was that I had some aloe, like fresh aloe that I saved, but I'm pretty sure it was bad before I got it. And it leaked out of the container all over my fridge. And it was really, really gross. And then my fridge got buried because I had that pile of stuff. So it was like a whole thing. But that's my keep pile of items I own. And I already removed... Hi. I already took out my get rid of box. And yeah, and then I think next week I'm gonna do my meal prepping stuff, change it up a little bit. So yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.